Hello friends, let's have a quick recap of classful IP addresses. We have discussed that there are class A, class B, class C, class D and class E IP addresses. Now let us take one problem of finding out the network address and the broadcast address. Uh, a router receives a packet from the destination address which contains an IP address 131.64.67.32. We have to find out how router will find the network address of the packet. Question number 2, how router is going to do direct broadcasting. Question number 3, how many number of hosts are possible in this particular network. So let us take this question in various steps. The first step, we have to find out to which class this IP address belongs to. So because this first address, first octet is 131, which shows that it is a 131, it is a class B IP address. So first thing, we have to find out the class. So this address belongs to class B IP address. So default mask of class B IP address is 255.255.0.0. So we have to find out the network address. How to find out the network address? First of all, convert the given IP address into binary number system. So IP address, converted IP address in binary number system is as shown over here, and convert the default mask into binary number system. So it is this shown like this, and perform bitwise AND operation between the IP address and the default subnet mask. When we are performing bitwise AND operation, so 1 and 1 it comes out to be 1, 1 and 0 it comes out to be 0, and so on. So this is the bit answer for the bitwise AND operation. So the bitwise AND operation gives us the network address of the given mm, IP number. So the network address comes out to be 131.24.0.0. Now let's move to the second question. Second question is how router is going to do the broadcast. So before going to the answer of the second question, let us discuss about the broadcast. There can be two kinds of broadcast can be there: limited broadcast and direct broadcast. Limited broadcast, that means we want to broadcast a packet within our own network. Let us take this example. This is a router which is connected to the external network. This is our own network. If I want to broadcast any of the message packet into my own network, that means I want to send data to all of these systems of the network. In that case, the IP address which is for which is called also called as limited broadcast address will be 255.255.255.255. Whenever a packet which has a destination address as 255.255.255.255, the packet will be broadcasted within its own network. Now if packets come from outside, some outside network, how the router is going to broadcast that packet to all these species, that is called as direct broadcast address. So whenever we want to find out the direct broadcast address, the formula for it is, first of all, find the complement of the subnet mask. So our subnet mask was 8 times 1, 8 times 1, 8 times 0, 8 times 0. Now if we find out the complement of it, it comes out to be 8 times 0, 8 times 0, 8 times 1, 8 times 1, and perform bitwise OR operation. Remember, bitwise OR operation. In the network ID it was bitwise AND operation. Here it is bitwise OR operation. So it comes out to be this. So directed broadcast address will be now 131.24.255.255. Now let's move to the third question. Third question was how many number of hosts are possible. If we look into the number of possible hosts, so number of host bits which are reserved in class B, it is 16 bits are reserved for 16 in class B. There were 16 bits are reserved. So you can see over here 16 bits are reserved for host ID. So out of these 16 bits, first and last bit, out of these host addresses, first and last address is reserved for broadcast ID and network ID. So we are left over with 2 raised to power host bits minus 2. It comes out to be 16 minus 2. It is 65,534 possible hosts are there. Same kind of problems can be done with the class A, C and C addresses also. Thank you friends. We will meet again in next class with classless IP addresses.